Hi families, my name is Melissa Longnecker and I get the privilege of being your student's AP World History teacher this year. I've been teaching AP World for a long time now. This is my 11th year and this is my first year getting to do it remotely. So I'm sitting in my comfy chair. I hope your student has a comfy chair where they are learning from, and we are going to overcome every challenge and every hurdle together. If you are wondering what the course is about, beyond what you read in our course expectations document, or if you're wondering what's happening in class on a daily basis, my Schoology page is the one-stop shop for those kinds of answers. If you have questions that you don't see answered on Schoology, please feel free to send me an email. That's the best way to get a hold of me. My email address is mlongnecker@osd.wednet.edu. I try to respond to emails as quickly as possible. I look forward to connecting with you as the year goes on and getting to know your family and your student as we navigate distance learning and helping them be successful in the course and on the AP exam this spring. Bye!